Hey everybody, welcome back to the Lifestyle of the Green Cup. Green Cup here with you. In today's product review, we're actually doing two different products, but they're so related you can't just split the two. In my household, coffee's king. Can't start your morning without it. It's the lifeblood and my energy. It keeps me going throughout the day. Initially, I was kind of skeptical of the Keurigs. I didn't really think they were good quality or they would be great. But we bought one and tried it out and I've since come around. So that's one half is the Keurig single cup brewing machine. And then the second is this, the Amazon dark roast. They call it Solimo is the brand name. K-Cup pods. They're actually significantly cheaper than the competitive coffee pods. So I'll go ahead and review those two. Check it out. All right, so as I said, we made the switch to these Amazon Solimo dark roast coffee pods, which have been much more economical in the cost per serving for these K-Cups over, say Starbucks, Sumatra, or the Kenya blend were the ones we used to purchase. So I always want to know what was in this thing, so I went ahead and cut it open. I assumed it was like, instant coffee or something. Turns out it's not. There's actual coffee grounds in here. All right. But how much coffee grounds is actually in here? So I got my handy dandy little scale here. So let's go ahead and turn that on. Zeroize it. And I've already gone ahead and cut open the top here. So there's actually a pretty good amount of coffee grounds in there. Looks like we have a ½ ounce. Now, that seems like more than a ½ ounce to me, but it turns out apparently that's what a ½ ounce looks like in terms of coffee grounds. And then you can see here on the inside of the K-Pod, it's like the filter around the edge. So let's see, I guess that's how this little thing works. The kind of thing punctures the top to let the water in, hot water, and then it brews in here and then filters out punctures the bottom as well. But if you notice, there's a space between the bottom of that filter basket and the bottom of the K-Pod here. So that's where it filters out. Pretty cool, huh? All right, 1/2 ounce of ground coffee. Now, we weren't always Keurig drinkers. We used to be traditional, way more traditional. We used to be the traditional, buy the beans and grind it. But here's our Keurig pot. We'll get rid of that old one here. So let's go ahead and brew a cup of coffee here real quick. So got my mug here with water. Fill up the reservoir there. I have another fresh K-Cup here. Pop that into place. You can hear it puncture. And you can see here on the top where it'll puncture the top to let the water in. And we'll go ahead and brew. And there we have it. One freshly brewed cup of coffee. Yum.